going on, YouTube? It's your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. So, y'all, as y'all see, I am feeling a whole lot better, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Still kind of raspy, it feel like, but it's there, y'all. I got the voice back. The vocals are not, you know, it's sounding better, as y'all can see, man. And we got a 14-year wait over. You know what I'm saying? The wait is over. After 14 years, y'all, this shoe ain't been out since 2004. Y'all already know what time it is, man. I've been waiting. You know what I'm saying? I've been waiting. You know, this weekend was a great weekend. I pretty much hit on the kicks that I wanted to get, and this is one of them. So this past weekend, y'all already know what released. So we're going to get into this unboxing. We ain't going to waste no time. Y'all already know what time it is. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Ring that notification bell for your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I drop on the channel, y'all. I'm talking about any of the content I drop on the channel. As well as go ahead and give your boy a thumbs up. Let your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, know that y'all rocking with your boy. You know what I'm saying? And drop a comment below and let me know if y'all pick these bad boys up too. So here we go, y'all. Y'all already know official as a whistle with that Foot Locker. You know what I'm saying? And get that box out of here, y'all. Y'all already know, man. Got these joints in a 10.5, y'all. That's what I rock all my tubes in, man. See what I'm saying? With that white University blue, y'all already know the wait is over. No suggested retail sticker on my box, because y'all already know I live in Germany. You know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Y'all already know, man. Smell test approved by your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, man. Ain't nothing like Fresh J's, man. You know what I'm saying? One smell the best, but ain't nothing like Fresh J's, y'all. So let's get on in. All right, y'all. Here we go, man. Let's get both of them out, man. You know what I'm saying? The box, man. No special box. You know what I'm saying? But here we have it, y'all. The Melo Retro 2, y'all. Paying homage to that boy Carmelo Anthony when he played for the Denver Nuggets. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, it's just crazy, man. It's just crazy. There's just minor things that I would say have changed. I'd say, man, this quality on this shoe is a whole lot better than I thought it was going to be. But let's go ahead and let's spin around and check out the shoe. You know, on the bottom right there, you got them hints of the baby blue with the white and the yellow. You dig? With that Jordan, that classic Jordan right there. You know what I'm saying? Very dope, very dope. And then going, you know, everything is slick about the shoe. You got the white mainly going around the upper with the hints of the baby blue right there. You got the baby blue laces in there. Now, something they did change on the last retro, it did have a 23 in the back. This time you get that hit with that Melo 15, you know what I'm saying, to give it more of that, you know what I'm saying, Carmelo Anthony type shoe. You know what I'm saying? So, man, I really think this shoe is dope. You know what, y'all? I definitely want to give y'all an on foot of these. I know y'all not asking. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody asked yet, but I think I'm definitely going to give y'all an on foot of these because a lot of people, you know, a lot of people don't mess with tubes. But this shoe is just crazy. You know what I'm saying? There go that Air Jordan wing logo right there. Man, with the background, with the hit of that yellow, you know what I'm saying? Nike on the back in yellow. This is dope, man. Definitely one of, you know, it's jersey season again. Definitely one of these shoes that you could just rock with the Carmelo Anthony jersey. You know what I'm saying? It would stick out with the jersey. You know what I'm saying? Get the all white jersey, hit it with these. Fuego! Y'all already know how we be rocking, man. Let's go ahead, man, and let's just check the inside out. Now, one thing that I like that they did in the inside, y'all, and I'm gonna see, man. See, I got the little sticker right there, but I'm gonna show y'all in this one because the sticker's not in this one. So let me go ahead and show y'all this, man. One thing that I really like that they did with these, man, is they hit the inside of the shoe with that Melo right there, y'all. That is very, very dope, man. Really, really dope, man. You might as well say, man, this is a Melo PE, y'all. You know what I'm saying? This is definitely like, it was like a, I don't know, man. I don't know if it was hard to get. I didn't check online again. I know when I woke up, I went on there, carted it, boom, I was good to go. I didn't check to see if they sold out. I know they sold out in the United States on Sneakers app. I'm not sure if they sold out in other places. I'm not sure how limited the shoe was actually, but it seems like it sold out like that. I'm gonna be honest. It seemed like it sold out like that in the States. I gotta double back and check online here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna see if it's so. You know what? Let me check that real quick, y'all. Let me check that real quick. So y'all, they actually didn't sell out. You know what I'm saying? So there's still some places where you can get these online over here in Europe. So very dope shoe though, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And like I said, I think I really want to give y'all an on foot of these. Just because twos is not, it's one of those retros that a lot of people don't really mess with, but it's fuego, y'all. I mean, it's like hot fire. You know what I'm saying? Like these are definitely a great shoe for the summertime, man. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I might swap out my blue laces with white laces, just because I feel like it would look, I don't know, I think it would look dope with white laces too. So maybe I'll test that out, you know what I'm saying, because I'm pretty sure I got a pair of shoes that have extra white laces in my ones collection. So I'll probably just swap them out, see if I can see what they look like with the white laces in, you know what I'm saying. So y'all let me know, man, was this a copper drop? Y'all already know, man. If y'all just now tuning into the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy, ring that notification bell, that way y'all don't miss none of the content, y'all. And you already know, man, I'ma do what I do, and what I do at my best, I'ma spin them pictures for y'all. Y'all already know, man. If y'all ain't noticed something, man, your boy the Retro Wiz Kid spin pictures at the end of every video. So that's one of my favorite things to do, is give y'all them pictures at the end as well. So y'all already know, man. If y'all haven't yet, go ahead over to Instagram, follow your boy at the Retro Wiz Kid, and we're gonna go ahead and spin these pictures, y'all. I hope y'all have a great and blessed day, and you know, do what you do when you do what you do. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure you do what you do at your best. Let's get into these pictures. You dig?